In this video we will see exercise problems of exercise 16.1 from NCERT textbook. We will see concepts of probability also, and I think so after solving these questions you will understand the basic concepts, and you will also get to know how to use those concepts to solve the questions. So let us go ahead and see. Now the first question, a coin is tossed 3 times, find the sample space. First of all, we earlier said probability of an event A is favorable cases by total cases. This total cases is nothing but the sample space most of the times. Now 3 coins are tossed. Suppose this is first coin, second and third. We need to know what are the possible outcomes. This is also nothing but possible outcomes. All possible outcomes is nothing but sample space. Now suppose I have 3 coins. So this is first coin. It can either be a head or a tail. Similarly here it can be a tail or a head or a tail, right? So if suppose I have 3 places, so this has 2 possibilities, this has 2 possibilities, this has 2 possibilities, because this thing can be either a head or a tail. This also can be either a head or a tail. This also can be either. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. So there will be total 8 such possibilities. So that is important to understand. So what are all they be? So suppose 3 coins, right? So they can be all heads or tail, head, right? Head, tail, head, tail. Similarly, they can all be tail, all tails. Then head, tail, head, tail, head, and head, tail. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are all the possible outcomes. All the possible outcomes. So this is hence the sample space. I hope this is well understood. We have to do nothing. That if there are 3 coins, this is for first coin, this is for second coin, this is for third coin. First coin can be either one or head or tail, so therefore 2. Second coin will be head or tail, therefore 2. So third coin also head or tail, therefore 8 possibilities. So you will first get to know the number, that there will be 8 such combinations, and these are all the 8 such combinations. I hope this is clear. Let us see the next question. Now here also we are supposed to find the sample space. This is question number 2. A die is thrown 2 times. Find the sample space. Now as I said earlier, 2 die means a die is thrown 2 times. Suppose this was the first time. It can have 6, right? 6 possible outcomes. 6 possible outcomes. Similarly, this also can have 6 possible outcomes. So suppose this is first die. Okay, so I'm writing like this. So what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is second die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what are all the possible outcomes? I will write it here. All possible outcomes. Possible outcomes can be what? So first of all, output is what? For the first die it is 6. For the second die it is 6. So the answer is 6 into 6 is equal to 36 total outcomes. 36 total outcomes, and this is nothing but the sample space. Now what are they? See, first die, so if I am writing something like x comma y, this means this is for the first die and this is for the second die. This is the notation. Okay, na? This is the notation. Now how the answer will be like 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. So 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. Similarly 3 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, and 3, 6. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Similarly 5, 1 till 5, 6. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. So I will write here also, right? 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5. So what basically we are trying to do, see, I will show you for one. It will be like 1, 1. First die 1, second die 1. With 1 there will be 6, right? With for 1 getting first on first die if I get 1, second I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this is the first row. Similarly, if suppose first die is 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. So similarly, if you go, you will get 6 into 6, that is total 36 outcomes, and this is the sample space. I hope this is understood. Now, question number 3 is a coin is tossed 4 times. So I have suppose a coin is tossed 4 times, means it is something I am supposed to find the sample space, right? Each time it will have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. So 16 possible outcomes, and this is nothing but the sample space. How do I do that? See, let us see this first. Okay, it can be like all heads, 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 right? Tail, head, 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 tail, head, 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 tail, head, and head, 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 tail, 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 head, tail, 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 head, tail, 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 head, tail, 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 head. So these are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this can be like head, head, tail, tail, and right, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail, head. And the last one is, it can be like tail, tail, head, head. So tail, head, and tail, head, head, tail. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So these are all the 16 possible combinations. So what basically I have done is to write it down. See, first is all heads, right? The second one I have put tail first place, and this then I have traversed it towards right. See, here head is, tail is here. Next tail has come to the second place, tail third, and tail fourth. Right? These are all the first 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First 5. Next 5, all tails, first head at the first position, now head at the second position, like that. These are the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 10. Now combination of 2, head, head, tail, tail. Now with this head I have traversed. So head, tail, and head, tail 13. And similarly like this. So there will be 16 such combinations. So whenever we are asked to count that what will be, how many numbers will be there, right? What is the, so what do? There are 4 times it has been tossed. Each head can be either head or a tail, therefore 2, 2, 2, 2. This is a very important thing which I think everybody should know, so that at least you know how many numbers will be there, right? Here at least 16. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. So this is 16 is the answer, and these are the sample space. This is what you have to write, these things, all possible combinations. Now the fourth question, a coin is tossed and a die is thrown. Suppose a coin is tossed. So what are the possible heads and tails? Now suppose a die is thrown. What are the possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So now we are supposed to find the sample space, meaning all possible combination. All possible combinations. What can they be? Head I am denoting as head, and tails I am denoting as tail. So it can be like head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6, right? Similarly, I can get tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5 and tail 6. These are all possible combination. Right? So there will be nothing more to this than this, more to this than what we have said. See, we can get a head. So it can be like, we can write it also like this, head, tail, for easy understanding, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can have heads with this, then you can have tails also with this. This is also a possibility. So these are all the possible combinations. Now question number 5, a coin is tossed and then a die is rolled only in case a head is shown. Now see, suppose as we saw earlier, for a coin there can be head or a tail, right? For a die there can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now a coin is tossed and then a die is rolled in case a head is shown. So you roll only when 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now you can write sample space. The thing is, they roll a die only when you get a head. So head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6. You can get a head. These are all, and then you can get a tail as well, right? You can get a tail also. When you throw a die, you can either get a head or a tail. These are all for heads, and this is for tail. But when you are having a head, you will also roll a die. So when you roll a die, you can get any of these things. So sample space, finding sample space is a game of finding all possible outcomes. This is what it is and nothing more than that. I hope this is understood. Now we are supposed to find sample space here also. Let us see the question. 2 boys and 2 girls in room X. Suppose this is X and this is Y. There are 2 boys, 2 girls, and 1 boy and 3 girls. So I am writing them as B1 comma B2. These are 2 boys, and this is G1 comma G2. This boy I am writing as B3, and this one G3, G4, G5. Now I am supposed to write the sample space. What can be XB1, XB2, right? Then XG1, XG2. Now here YB3, YG3, YG4, and what? YG5. This can be all possible outcomes. Now 2 boys and 2 girls are from X. 2 boys and 2 girls. 1 boy and 3 girls are from Y. 1 boy and 3 girls are from Y. Specify the sample space for the experiment in which a room is selected and then a person. Suppose X is selected. These are when X is selected. So when there are 2 rooms, we can either select X or we can either select Y. This was when Y is selected. Okay. When you select X, you can either select from 2 boys, that is XB1, XB2, or from 2 girls, or XG1 or XG2. Now suppose you select Y, so you can select only from 1 boy, YB3, and then if girls, then YG3, YG4 and YG5. These names you can give anything. The only thing is that you have to mention them clearly. That's it. That's how it is. Names can be anything. You can, instead of writing XB1, you can also write B1X. That is also okay. The only thing is to identify the sample space. That's it. And that you can name anything as you want. Now let us see question number 7. One die of red color. There is a die of red color. One of white color. One die of red color, one of white color, and another one of blue color are placed in a bag. One die is selected at random and rolled. Its color and the number on its uppermost face is noted. Describe the sample space. See, first of all, these are all dice. Okay, this is also die. This is also die. This is also die. When a die is rolled, what can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are possible outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are all possible outcomes. So if you find sample space, now out of these you have to select one of the die, right? See, it can be, see, I'm writing like this. Red color die I will denote as R, okay? So 1R, 2R, 3R, 4R, 5R, 6R. These are all red color dice. If I select a white color die, it can be one of them, right? So 1W, 2W, 3W, 4W, 5W, and 6W. Now suppose if it is blue, then 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B. So these are all the possible combination. So when you throw a die, so the question is this thing, right? One die of red, white, and blue. So you have a die. This is a red, blue, and white. Dies are there. Out of these, you are selecting one of them. Then you have to tell its color and the number. So when you remove one of them at random, it can be either red, blue, or white, right? Suppose if I remove a white. White can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anything can be on the top. So these are all the possible combinations. I hope this is understood, right? So in all these questions, when you are supposed to find a sample space, the only thing you have to do is you have to find what are all the possible combinations. In next exercises, we will see how to find probability out of them. But now the only thing which we are doing is we are only trying to find the denominator, right? Yeah, I hope this is understood. Now question number 8, it is very simple question. Now an experiment consists of recording boy-girl composition of families with 2 children. Now there is a family and family has 2 children. Okay. Now what is the first question? Answer 1. Answer 1. What is the first question? What is the sample space if we are interested in knowing whether it is a boy or a girl in order of their births? Okay, if suppose there is a family and there are 2 children and I want to know whether it is a boy, what is the composition, right? What is the sample space if we are interested in knowing whether it is a boy or a girl? Now if there are 2 children, both of them can be boy, girl, correct, right? Girl, boy, or both can be girls, girl, girl. So this is the sample space. Sample space with 2 children. With 2 children. I hope this is understood. That there is a family, there are 2 children. He is asking what is the possible sample space when there are 2 children. Both can be boys, boy, girl, girl, boy, girl, girl. Here boy, girl and girl, boy, girl means first is boy, second is girl. Here first is girl, second is boy, right? That is what it is. Now this was first one. Now second one, what is the sample space if we are interested in the number of girls in the family? Now there is a family, it has 2 children and we want to know number of girls. That is a question. Interested in number of girls. There can be 0 girls, there can be 1 girl, or there can be 2 girls. This is the sample space. If it is 0 means both are boys. Correct, right? If it is 1 girl, it can be a boy girl or girl boy. Both of them means 1 girl. If 2 means girl girl. So here the answer to this question is 0, 1, 2. This is the answer. But the reason is this, right? So I hope this is very well understood, this question. Now question number 9. A box contain 1 red and 3 identical white balls. So I have 1 red ball and 3 white ball. These I cannot write as W1, W2, W3. This is not possible. Why? Because they are identical. Okay. I cannot write like W1, W3 because they are identical. Okay. Now these two are in a bag. Now a box or box, whatever you can say. So a box contains one red and three white identical balls. Two balls are drawn at random in succession. In succession. In succession means one after another. One after another without replacement. Without replacement. This is a very important line. Write the sample space. Now sample space. Now this question is you have one red ball and you have three white balls. Okay, in total you have four balls. Now out of these four balls you are removing two balls, one at a time. Okay, you remove without replacement. So you can remove what? Red ball after white ball. That is a possibility. Or you can remove white ball after red ball. That is also a possibility. You only have red, right? One red. So now suppose if you remove here, if you remove red and white, then you will be with two white balls, right? Remaining. Here also in the second one, white red means first you remove white, second is red, then also you will be remaining, you will be left with two white balls, and the third can be white. So this is the sample space. In this case, you will be left with two white in the box. I hope this is understood. Here also left with two white. Two. And here you will be left with one red in the box. Plus one white. The question is little confusing, but it is very simple also. A box contains one red and three. There is one red and three white. Two balls are drawn at random in succession. Two balls are only drawn without replacement. Write the sample space. So if you have four balls in which one is red and three are white, you are removing two balls only. So what is the possibility? You can either remove red white, or you can have white red, or you can get white white. These are all the only three possibilities. This is question number 10. Here also we are supposed to find the sample space. An experiment consists of tossing a coin and then throwing it second time if a head occurs. If a tail occurs on the first toss, then a die is rolled again. Find the sample space. See, basically what it is, a coin is tossed. When a coin is tossed, you will get either head or a tail. Now let us see. Okay, this is the first toss. This level, up to this level is the first toss, right? Now an experiment consists of tossing a coin and throwing it a second time if a head occurs. Suppose now head occurs, then you will throw it once again, then you can either get a head or a tail. If a tail occurs on the first toss, this is the first toss, then a die is rolled. Then you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This was the first toss. Now this is the second toss. So we have to break the problem like this. I hope this is understood. A coin is there. When you toss a coin, then you get either head or a tail. If you get a head, then it is tossed once again. Then you can either get a head, tail. Similarly, if you get a tail on the first toss, you will throw a die. This is how it is. Now you are supposed to find the sample space. What will be the sample space? So if you head, you can get a head. This is head or head tail. Now if suppose this is for heads. Now this was for getting head. And then tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, tail 6. This was tail. This is for tail in the first. This is getting head, and this is tail in the first toss. I hope the answer is clear now. This is very simple. Right? Head, tail, tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, tail 6. Now question number 11. This question is similar to what we have already seen earlier. Okay, I will just explain it once again. Suppose 3 bulbs are selected at random. Each bulb is tested and then classified as detective or non-detective. Write the sample space. Now these are 3 bulbs, okay? 3 bulbs. Now each of them can be defective or non-defective. Defective or non-defective. Defective or non-defective. So there are 2 ways. This also can be 2 ways. This also can be 2 ways. 2 into 2 into 2, 8 ways. So there are 8 possibilities. Okay, 8 possibilities means 8 chances in the sample space. So what can it be? 3 can be defective, all the 3, or non-defective, defective, 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 non-defective, defective, 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 non-defective, or 3 are non-defective, defective, non-defective, 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 defective. Sorry, not this one. N D N N N T. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is what, these are all the sample space. This is the sample. This is similar to having, this is like throwing 3 coins as we saw earlier. If suppose there are 3 coins, each of them can be either a head or a tail, head or a tail, head or a tail. So there will be 8 outcomes in the sample space. What were they? Head, 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 tail, head, 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 tail, head, 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 tail. Now all tail, 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 head, tail, 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 head, tail, 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 head. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are also 8. This was similar to this problem is similar to SIMI is similar to tossing 3 coins problem. I hope this is understood, right? Where D is for defective and N is for non-defective. I hope it is understood. Now this is question number 12. All these questions till now which we have seen are all related to finding sample space. As we have been seeing, are all related to finding sample space. Finding, this is what? This is finding all possible combinations. Now see, let us see this question. A coin is tossed. It is a coin. Then you can either get head or a tail, right? If the outcome is head, then a die is thrown. If it is head, then you throw a die. Now, if the die shows up an even number, even is what? 2, 4 and 6, then the die is thrown once again, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you are supposed to find the sample space. Now, sample space. See, first of all, you can get a tail. If it is a head, you can get H1, H3, H5. Heads with odd numbers, right? H1, H3 and H5. Now, if suppose you get even number, suppose you get a 2, right? If you can do, then H21, H22, H23, H24, H25, H26. Similarly, H41, H42, H43, H44, H45, H46. Similarly, H61, H62, H63, H64, H65, H66. I hope this is understood. That first of all, it can be a tail. If it is a head, then you can get 1, 3, 5. Correct, right? These are all odd numbers. Odd numbers. And these are all for even numbers. If you get even numbers, then even numbers are what? 2. This was for 2. This is for the one below was for 4, and the one below was for 6. So if you have get even numbers, then once again 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that. I hope this is understood. So H, the first T, H1 H3 H5, these are for odd, and if it is even, then H21 H22 H23 H24 H25 H26. Similarly H41 H42 H43 H4 H45 H46 H61 62 60 64 65 66. I hope this is understood, right? You see this diagram will make things very easy to understand. Now exercise 13. Okay, the numbers 1 2 3 4 are written separately on 4 slips of paper. 1 2 3 4. The slips are put in a box and mixed thoroughly. These are all put in a box and they are mixed thoroughly. A person draws 2 slips from the box, one after the another, without replacement. Describe the sample space. Now these are the 4 slips and these have been put in a box. 2 slips are removed. 2 slips are removed, one after the another. After the another. This is the problem statement. Now we are supposed to find the sample space. Now suppose first is removed 1 2 1 3 1 4. This is first draw. This is second draw. Draw meaning removing it. Okay, this is second draw. Now if suppose 2 is removed, so it can be 2 1 2 3 2 4. 2 2 will not be a possibility because there are only 1 2 3 4, right? So if suppose 1 is there, what will be the combination? 1 2 1 3 and 1 4. Similarly, if it is 2, suppose it is 2, now suppose we are talking about 2, then it will be 2 1 2 3 and 2 4. I hope this is understood. This is what we have written here. Oh sorry, this was 1, right? Now suppose if it is 3, then it will be like 3 1 3 2 3 4. Similarly, if it is 4, then it is like 4 1 4 2 4 3. So this is the sample space for this question. I hope this is understood. There are 4 slips and they all have been put in a box and somebody is removing them. 2 slips, only 2 slips are removed. Then it can be 1 2 1 3 1 4 or 2 1 2 3 2 4 or 3 1 3 2 3 4 or 4 1 4 2 4 3. So this is the sample space. Question number 14. This let us see. An experiment consists of rolling a die. Rolling a die, then what is the 3 4 5 6? Rolling a die. Here even numbers are what? 2 4 6. Odd numbers 1 3 and 5, right? An experiment consists of rolling a die and then tossing a coin if the number is even. If number is even, what do? You toss a coin. What are the outputs? Head or tail? 4 also head or tail. 6 also head or tail. Now if the number on the die is odd, then the coin is tossed twice. Now if it's suppose 1, then you toss it twice. If it means, what can be possible? Head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. Correct, right? Similarly for 3 also you'll have head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. 5 also you'll have head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. Now if suppose 2 coins are tossed, so what are the possibilities? We have seen, right? There are 2 coins. It can be head or tail, head or tail. So you will have 4 possible. 2 into 2, right? 2 into 2. There are 4 possible outcomes. So how do we write sample space now? Now sample space, how do we write? Now see, if it is 1, then 1 head head, one head tail, sorry, I will just remove. This is 1 head tail, 1 tail head, 1 tail tail. If it is 2, it is even, so it is a 2 tail or 2 head. If it is 3, it is odd, 3 head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. These are all for 3. I hope this is understood. Now 4 is once again even, so 4 tail, 4 head. Now once again head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. This is for 4, right? Because 4 is even. Sorry, 4 right? 5. This is 5. I'm sorry, really sorry. This is 5, 5, 5. Head head, head tail. This is tail head. This is also 5. This is also. And 6 is even. Then 6 tail, 6 head. This is the thing. If suppose even, then toss coin once. If it is odd, toss coin twice. This is what it is. So for 1, 3 and 5 you toss it twice. So see, this is for 1, 3 and 5. You have tossed the coin twice, and for 2, 4, 6 you toss the coin once. I hope this is understood, right? So when you toss a coin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the outcomes. If it is even, you toss the coin only once. Then what happens? You get either head or a tail. But if it is odd number, then you toss the coin twice. So when you toss the coin twice, what are the possible outcomes? Head head, head tail head, and tail tail. So this is how the combination is. Now question number 15. It is also very simple. A coin is tossed. Okay, I have a coin. Then you will either get a head or a tail. A coin is tossed. If it shows a tail, we draw a ball from a box which contains 2 red and 3 black. 2 red and 3 black. So what I am writing? R1, R2, B1, B2, B3. If it shows a head, we throw a die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are supposed to find the sample space. How do we do that? See, if I get a head, then I get head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6. Now if it is a tail, then T R1, T R2, T B1, T B2, T B3, where R1 and R2 are red balls, and B1, B3, B1, B2, B3 are black balls, right? These are black balls, 3 black balls, and these are 2 red balls, and these are what? Die outputs. I hope this is understood. 16th question. A die is thrown repeatedly until a 6 comes up. What is the sample space for this experiment? Now a die is thrown repeatedly until a 6 comes up. What it means? Meaning is when 6 comes, the experiment stops. So if you are throwing a die, 6 can come on the first time, 6 can come on the second time, 6 can come on the third time, 6 can come on the fourth time, like this. This is an infinite experiment. I hope this is understood, right? Here the experiment will stop when 6 comes up. 6 can come on the first time. If first time you will throw, otherwise 2 times, then you will three times, then you will for 4 times, correct, right? 3, third time, fourth time a 6 may come. Here it is like first 2 times some other number will come, third time 6 will come, first time some other number will come, next 6 will come, or in the very first time 6 may come. This is what this means. Now right now how the sample space will look like. Sample space is first time 6 came, experiment is over, stops. Otherwise if it is like 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6, this is for 2 times, correct, right? Now 3 times, now suppose for this one, now this one dash dash 6, for this it can be 1 1 6 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 5 1 6, no 1 6 1 5 6 6 6 6. Similarly one can be, oh, this is 1 2, right? 1 1 1 2 1 3. Similarly 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 6. Similarly 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 6. Like similar 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5, all these will have 6. So after this, then similarly you can write 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5. So here when we are extending the sample space, here it was up to 2 times, and up to for 3 times all these numbers 1 1 6 1 2 6 1 3 6 1 4 6 1 5 6 2 1 6 2 2 6 2 3 6 2 4 6 2 5 6 3 1 6 3 2 6 3 3 6 3 4 6, like that it will continue. So for three times, right, all these will be a part of the sample space. I hope this is understood, right? 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 1 1 6 1 2 6 1 3 6 1 4 6, so on till 5 5 6 for 3 times. Similarly you will have for 4 times 1 1 1 1 6 1 1 1 2 1 1 3, like that. This is an infinite series, you cannot write all the numbers, but this is how it will be. I hope this is understood and why. Okay, the thing is the experiment will stop only when 6 comes, and until 6 comes, what are all the possibilities we have to write down. I hope this was understood.